Hi, I'm John Hanby, founder and CEO of Iternal Technologies. We're an AI solution provider and an AI software company. And we're absolutely thrilled to be partnered with Intel and HPE to bring transformative AI solutions to the market and help our customers transform and accelerate their AI implementations. One of the things that we're seeing across industries today is that AI transformation is still early. A lot of organizations don't necessarily know where to go. Some are just building their AI strategies, a lot are kind of mature, and then there's some people that haven't even started. Our real focus is making sure that every size organization, regardless of industry vertical, regardless of AI transformation maturity, is set up right on the track so they can ultimately harness the true power that AI can bring to their organization. Right now in the market, we're seeing that on average, MIT is reporting that 95% of AI transformations are failing. There are a lot of different reasons for this, but ultimately it comes down to one thing, and that's people and process. And ultimately what we're seeing is that the transformation for AI is not necessarily a technology problem, it's a literacy and an adoption problem. We're really focused on bringing AI solutions to market that can help boost that literacy, boost that understanding so that leaders within the enterprise can get the material ROI that they're seeking for their organization. And we're doing this in a couple of really powerful ways through our collaboration with Intel and HPE. The first thing is AI literacy. Without AI literacy and knowledge about how to talk to and interact with AI technologies, it's really hard to see that material value. So we've built a suite of technologies that start from figuring out how to actually implement AI across an organization and drive that literacy component. It starts with a book that I wrote called the AI Strategy Blueprint. We've sold tens of thousands of copies since we launched it a couple months ago, and it maps out end-to-end how an executive can drive that transformation across an organization, from the AI education, programs, cultural and change management, and ultimately execution and implementation of these AI technologies. From there, we move into what we call the AI Blueprint Builder. The AI Blueprint Builder maps out and interviews you and your use case and maps it to define how that AI use case can ultimately be designed, architected, and implemented, optimized for HPE and Intel infrastructure. Now, a lot of people think that AI transformation is expensive. You have to start with a multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars server, a ton of expertise, and a ton of knowledge. And the great thing about our technology is that's not the case. In fact, through our collaboration with HPE and Intel, we're able to bring substantial AI transformation running on an Intel Xeon CPU-based server. So you don't even have to have these powerful GPUs to get started in using AI inference within your organization. The AI Blueprint Builder will interview you, collect a ton of information about what you're trying to accomplish, your challenges, your pain points, and it will map it to the right HPE and Intel-based server architecture to help you actually implement that transformation and get started so you can test it out, see that material ROI, and then execute it without necessarily having to have a super robust AI transformation budget laid aside at the beginning. From there, it ultimately comes down to advocacy and execution. And again, this is where the AI Blueprint Builder pulls in the best and optimized technologies and solutions, both from our portfolio as well as our partners that have all been validated to run on HPE and Intel infrastructure to help drive that technology transformation from a software perspective. Whether it's technologies like our AirGap AI, which is a secure, offline, local chat assistant that can run and bring a ChatGPT-like experience on-prem, on-device, within your organization's walls, without your data ever leaving your infrastructure. Or it's something like Blockify, which is a data ingestion and cleaning solution that can enable a creation of a golden master knowledge brain for your organization to power all of your AI agents. These are the kinds of technologies that ultimately power any AI solution that we're able to bring to market together with HPE and Intel. But the great thing about it is every AI use case is slightly custom, but that customization can either be the savior or the failure point. And we've built a roadmap and a strategy and a set of technologies where that customization only needs to be the last 5% of the way there, right? Foundational technologies that we've built bring you to that 95%. You do a little bit of customization at the end, and you're able to bring your AI use cases into production in literally 4 to 8 weeks. None of this 12 to 18 month sales and development cycle and endless pilots and purgatory, right? We're able to bring real transformation quickly to help you achieve your AI goals. We look forward to working with you.